It's Dirty Old Patch. I got an eBay unboxing. I paid $50 for this. I think this is what it is. Oh, my little flags are getting in the way there. Can't get my eBay unboxing knife out. Whoa. I'm gonna have to figure out a flag stands for these little flags. These little pirate flags. But anyways, this is the eBay unboxing. I got my Dirty Old Patch unboxing special Buck Automatic Elite. Look how good that thing slices. Let's see what we got. Feels like there might be something else to cut in here. Put that over there. This is a pretty cool knife. I've always wanted one of this one. I think we're done with the Dirty Old Patch Buck Elite 110. What kind of a knife do you think that is? What do we got there? It's a Remington. Let's be careful with the snap. This is an old one. It's an RH6. I like these ones with this handle. It's a light knife. It's gonna clean up pretty cool. Looks like it had a price tag on it at one time. It actually feels like it might be sharp. I'm gonna test it out right here. Pretty good. It'll get the job done. Definitely get the job done. These got good steel in them. It's a nice looking sheath. It must have been restitched. I don't understand. Either that or that's somebody restitched it, I think. I don't know what that is. Check that out. I'm gonna clean it up and do a short on it. But I haven't had one of these, and I've always wanted one of these with the straight guard, the Remington Hunter number 6. Thanks for watching. Dirty Old Patch eBay unboxing.